Sponsored by weed and loving boobies.
Yeah. I mean, we got rolled up. That's not enough, niggas. Shit. Forever I'll be F-R-E, $H. Chillin' up at IHOP with the country fried steak. Super smooth, Kenny G, and these raps be the sack. Shined up with the wax, bet them panties go collapse. She just wanna hang out, I'm just tryna such a nutty professor, but bitch I'm buddy love. Rolling up this eggplant, said it then I meant that. LA took the shot, now I'm about to head back. Cleveland is the city, and they fucking with me. A lot of niggas coming up can't say the same, you feel me? Day to day killed them, sickest with the J's. F-R-E, $H. Rapper so plentiful, bitches so difficult. Here we go, mandatory time wasting, sipping slow, chillin' though. She rollin' up, hella shrimp, bubble gum. She mumbled up a great plan. I can roll the weed up, light one up, pass it, and hope that bitch make it back. Shit, light one up, pass it. We ain't trippin', we good, fantastic. Light one up, pass it, and hope that bitch make it back. Shit, light one up, pass it. We ain't trippin', we good, fantastic. Light one up, pass it, and hope that bitch make it back. Shit, light one up, pass it. We ain't trippin', we good, fantastic. Before you hit the fast lane, you got to yield onto the E-way. Even if you got the fastest Porsche Lamborghini. Young boss niggas mean you got to do what we say. When you was our age, wasn't no iTunes or eBay. Only thing old heads know is old bread. New money on the mic, boy, drop that forehead and pick it back up. Now repeat that and let them feet tap. Let your body language shout out and give me some feedback. I need that to keep the vibe up. Let me remind you, we lava. Nigga, ain't nobody give me $1. I fucking earned it. Making hoes regret that. They ain't let me hit that. And these weed brownies will blow your shit back. Mind controlling, time is slow, and I'll be blowing, I'll be zoning, I'll be floating, hoping I can make some kind of dough. Some time ago, I figured out what life about, received the knowledge, made up my mind to stay on this grind, and because of it, I won't be needing no college, unless they request the presence of a young G. Peace to all the girls who don't be shy when they come see the coldest. Now hands up over them shoulders, the boldest. The plan is to murder you phonies. Been rhyming since junior high, rockin' some conies. Now it's L's and V's from head to toe on you jabronis. My nigga, we own this. Midwest dream on shit. Getting paid forever while we zoning. Now roll it. Light one up, pass it, and hope that bitch make it back. Shit. Light one up, pass it. We ain't trippin', we good, fantastic. Light one up.